Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. Look, I've recently finished painting a fretboard on one of my guitars that is currently undergoing a restoration process. And today I'm going to make something that someone would consider as a minor petty thing, which is not necessary for guitars, but I know that many guitarists would suffer without this thing. And it really helps to avoid mistakes when playing the guitar. And what I'm talking about is markers. These, round dots that marks usually the fifth, the seventh, the 12th frets on different guitars. I'm going to show you what it looks like on a traditional dreadnought acoustic guitar. What I'm talking about are these round things. I like a minimalistic style. I'll add only 3 circles, 3 dots. I will mark the 12th fret on my guitar and the 7th fret. How I'm going to do this, I've already painted this. I'm not going to sand it then, at least very much. And to make these dots sit flush with the fretboard surface, I'll use glue mixed with white powder, very fine powder. Then I'll drill holes, put this mixture of glue with white powder into the hole, and using this sharp blade, remove the rest of it. So let's get started. Here we have a guitar. We need to protect places where we are going to put this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. How to quickly find the center? Let's draw 2 diagonals, and where they cross in this intersection point, we will put our marker. Now an O. I also use this metal plate to protect it from getting rough edges. Here is my drill and a drill bit. It's not supposed to be very deep. I think this depth is enough. So here I have some white powder. This is a pigment that we usually use with paints. We need to make sure it's made its way right to the bottom. There are no bubbles. This mixture went all the way down the hole. Here's my blade that I'll use to make it flat. Right. Now we can remove this masking tape. Well, and here you can see what my marker looks like. Now we have to wait till it solidifies, and then we can use this guitar. So thanks guys for watching. I think it's a useful video. See you later guys. Bye bye. Take care.